Hey guys, Amy Harber here, Tomboy Beauty. You can find me on Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, which is what you're probably watching this on, at all my links there. This is a limited edition special box. It's a non-seasonal. It's from Walmart. It is curated by InStyle, and the theme is award-winning beauty. It's all about making yourself award season ready. So just got done with the Oscars. Looks like a lot of cool products here, so let's get into them and find out what they are. So hey gang, it is the limited edition award-worthy beauty Walmart beauty box, curated by InStyle magazine. And what is really cool is the Walmart beauty box is only like $7, $7, something like that. Something really inexpensive. And that includes the shipping. And if you're like on the fence about getting into beauty boxes and stuff, this is the way to go. This was a special limited edition one because I regularly get them. They invited me to buy this one. Now this one's cool because it's got a list of all the products that's in here, and on the back I can get 2 free issues of InStyle magazine. I get way too many magazines, so I'm not going to probably take that little challenge, but hey, let's get in these cool products. So you have Pantene Pro V. It's volume conditioner. It's a foam conditioner that you use in the shower. So basically you squirt the foam, you put it in your hair, and then boom, rinse it out. So it's supposed to have 0 weight so it doesn't weigh down your hair. Then we have a Found coconut sheet mask that's 94% natural. Who doesn't love coconut water? Personally, I like to drink it, but I'll wear it on my face. I'm not picky. Then we have Olay Regenerist Whip Moisturizer. Now what's funny is it's this little container here, and it came in a giant box like about this big, like about that wide. I was like, okay, that's kind of deceptive packaging, but this is a very light moisturizer. Has that Olay smell. You know, like Olay, it just has that certain smell to it. It smells like Olay. Like basically it smells like it's really awesome skincare. Then we have the Secret Clinical Strength. This is actually going to get given away because I can't use it. Little fact, when this first came out on the market, I used it and I got like these huge, like I'm talking giant lumps in my armpit. Like they were testing me for lymphoma. Turns out I was allergic to the high potency of this and the aluminum. So this is, it's works, but if you're allergic to it, yeah, not so much. So somebody, one of my friends or somebody at work or somebody will get it. Then we have Crest Whitening Therapy. So I love Crest. It's my favorite toothpaste. I've been a Crest kid forever. So yay. And I'm also almost out of toothpaste. So talk about lucky timing. Then finally we have the Olay Cleansing Infusion Body Wash. You're going to get the glow for Hydrating Glow. It's crushed ginger. Oh, it does smell ginger. It's gingery and citrusy. So I'm excited about that. And it came all wrapped in like this gold paper. I feel like I won the Oscar here, so I feel like I should be given an acceptance speech. This box is so award worthy. So that is the award worthy. And I just want to point out, last weekend was 21st anniversary of Buffy the Vampire Slayer hanging in the air. So check out my shirt. It says, I may be dead, but I'm still pretty. So there's that. Follow me, all those places, and I will catch you next time on Tomboy Beauty.